Walk a bit more on Sweatcoin to activate account. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the error walk a bit more on Sweatcoin to activate account. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. So if you go onto your Sweat wallet app and then you tap on login with Sweatcoin and then here tap on approve login. If you get this error, walk a bit more on Sweatcoin to activate account. Get help on the website. So if you go onto the website, here Sweatcoin says that you are getting this error because you haven't walked much on Sweatcoin, so your Sweat wallet won't work. So to fix this, you should go on a nice walk for at least 10 minutes and after that wait for 24 hours and then try to log into your Sweat wallet and the problem will probably get fixed. So this was the solution for the error. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.